Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Lazy Investor Zone. So today let's discuss three stocks which are having low risk setups and which has given a decent return in the past. So without delay, let's get started with the topic. So the first stock is Kanchi Karpura. So in this stock, if you could see, the highest of the stock recently has been made on of 1350, but then the stock has been struggling a lot since then and it has came down till 760 or even 730 is its recent low. So considering the past of this company, it is having very good fundamentals, and then it's having very good return on capital employed in the past. So considering that, I'm picking this as a low risk setup. Considering that, I'm picking this as a low risk setup. The only reason being we're taking very little risk. So if you could see, the current market price is 763, and I have given stop loss for this as 730. So 33 points as a risk. So where our reward is 830 rupees. Our first target is 830 in this, and our second target is it would be around close to 900. So where our reward is around 60 points for the first target, and then even double from there from the second target. Like for the target 2, it is 900. So 60 points from there from the first target also. So it's I believe it's worth taking risk. So it's a 30-point risk where we're getting very good favorable risk reward ratio. So this is one of my pick for low risk setups, and don't take heavy quantity because considering the Nifty is at 18,000 and Sensex is trading at around 60,000. So there could be some kind of correction which have some impact on these kind of stocks, though they have been trading at a very cheaper price. So this is my first pick, Kanchi Karpuram. Target is 830, current market price is 767, and our stop loss is 730, and target number 2 is close to 900. Okay, let's get another stock now, which is Swaraj Engines. So Swaraj Engines is also a very good stock and has given it a very decent return in the past. If you could see return on employed, I believe it's more than 20% on an average of 3 years. But then this stock is struggling a lot. This stock is struggling a lot to perform in the recent days. Considering that, I have picked this stock as a low risk profile. So here the current market price is 1620, and our stop loss would be 1520. So it's a 100-point risk, and our first target is 1753, where we are getting almost 130 points, and then our second target is 1900, where we are getting 150 points from there. So I believe worth taking risk on this stock also, 100 points. So as you know, our earlier video, position sizing defines like how to enter into a position, depending upon our risk. So don't get don't take over quantities. Just stay very cautious considering the markets are at all-time high. So the stocks which we are picking are really very good stocks, but then considering the Nifty at 18,000 and Sensex at 60,000, we should be really cautious, because there could be some corrections which will have some impact on these stocks also. Though these stocks are trading at best prices, so there could be impact on these stocks also. So don't trade heavily, just go with a little quantity. I mean, like if you are ready for 100% risk, then take only 50% risk in this kind of situations. So Swaraj Engines, so current market price is 1620, our target is 1750, target 1, and target 2 is 1900, and our stop loss is 1520. I hope this is clear, right? Yeah. So coming to the third one, so Tata Metallics. This is also very fine stock. But then the stock has been underperformed like crazily. Like if you could see, 1344 is its recent high, and it has been corrected almost 30%. Now it's trading at around 1,000 rupees. Not almost, it's more than 30%. It has been corrected. So I could see some kind of reversal from 960, where we are having earlier supports as well. So considering that, I suggest you can enter Tata Metallics at current market price with a stop of 950. So 50 points or 57 points stop loss, where you can expect a target of 1,075 for one. The first target is 1,075, and the second target is and the second target would be around 1,100, 1,075, 1,100. Not a very big difference, but then considering this 50-point risk, we are getting reasonably a very good return here. Like if you could see, 50 points risk we are taking from 1,007 to 950 is our stop loss, so 57 points risk we are taking, and then we are looking for a target of 1,075, which is almost 70 points, almost 65 to 70 points from here. So I hope these three stocks which are trading at the current market price are low risk profiles, where they have already went up till, they have been corrected almost 30% from their higher levels recently. And considering the past of these stocks has given a very decent return on capital employed. If you could go to the screener, or give me 1 second, I'll just show you that as well. So if I can just go to any screener here, so here if I just click by Kanchikarpuram, so if I just click by here, so if you could see, return on equity for 3 years, 45.9%, and it's an 3 years return on equity. I'm not considering 1 year, because see, COVID is something which has given an abnormal return for any stock, but then you just need to consider return on equity for 3 years. So Kanchikarpuram has given the return on equity for 3 years of 45.9%, which is really very good return on equity. And if I can just go for another stock, just a second, Swaraj Engines. Here also you could see, so the return on equity for 3 years average is 33.6%. And so it's beating Nifty, it's beating CAGR of 24%. And that's the only reason which I picked this Swaraj Engine, Kanchikarpuram and Tata Metallics. The only reason being the past performance is really crazy, really crazy. They have given a very good returns for their investors, but then the recent times they have been struggling. So that is the reason which I have named them as a low risk profile. If you could see, Tata Metallics also return on equity, it's a 23.6% on an average, which is really a fantastic return compared to the Nifty, or that has been almost beaten so many stocks, because return on equity 24% is a very good return in the equities. Okay, so reason why I have been pick these three stocks, and I hope stocks can fetch you some returns. But then once again, be very cautious, because the Nifty is trading at around 18,000 and then Sensex is around 60,000. So as an investor or as a swing traders also, we should be little cautious when we are taking any position. So if you want to take any position, just take 50% of what we actually ready for the positions. Let me suppose, say if I want to risk 2,500 earlier, just risk 1,250 rupees only now. So based on that, take your positions. Okay, so that's it for today, guys, and let's come up with a very good info videos further, and I hope this video is really helpful for you. Please do like our video if you find it helpful for you, and please do subscribe to our channel. Jai Hind.